to my channel. My name is Dia. If you're new here, I make home decor and DIY content here on my channel. And I am back with a bang this new year. And as you can see by the title, this will be a 3-part series on my channel. So I am giving my living room a makeover and I need to do some shopping. So I thought, why not take you guys along with me so you guys can exactly see how I shop for these projects. And yeah, so without talking any further, let's get right into the video. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am beside my laptop, and that is because I'm going to be placing some orders online just so I don't have to go and pick it up, and it's just more convenient that way. So my plan for the room is right here. I'm going to insert a sketch, and as you can see, I am going for colors, yellow, orange, green. That's kind of the aesthetic. And what I need for now are the major things that I need to buy is a coffee table, a rug, some shelves, obviously paint, decor pieces here and there, and bar stools. So bar stool is something that I really want to buy, but I'm going to wait till the end to see if it kind of fits within the budget. I'm kind of challenging myself to keep this makeover under $400, but obviously, like, if it goes a little over, I'm okay with that. So the bar stools are really expensive, so I'm going to wait till the last minute to purchase those. So yeah, I have already kind of sifted through Facebook Marketplace off camera because I didn't want to waste a lot of time, and I did not find any good deal on a coffee table on Facebook. So I have kind of shortlisted some, so I'm going to now kind of go over them one more time and decide which one I want to go with. I do have a gift card to Amazon, which I definitely want to use for this makeover to save some money. So let's go ahead and see what I can find. Okay, you guys, so I have kind of came up with 3 items that I definitely want to buy. So I'm going to add the screenshots right here. So this is a screenshot for the coffee table that I've decided to purchase. It is about $100, a little over $100, and I do have a $50 Amazon gift card, so it's coming to be around $60 with tax and everything. So I'm super excited to purchase that. And then for the rug, I saw this one on Wayfair. It was honestly the best price for the product. I did look a lot of different websites. I even checked HomeSense like previously, did not find anything really. And for shelves, I actually found this shelf on Wayfair, but it literally looks the exact shelf that I DIY'd for my bathroom makeover video, so I can easily DIY this again from buying just like wood from Home Depot. So I'm not planning on spending $80 on these shelves from Wayfair, and that's about it. I did find this really pretty bar stool on Facebook Marketplace. The lady selling 2 for $150. So I messaged them to see if they're willing to kind of lower the price a little bit. The brand new version of that chair is $140 regular price, and she's selling 2 for $150, so which is already a really good deal. So I'm gonna message her and then I'll see like what she ends up saying and if I end up buying it. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and place these orders really quickly, and then we will go shopping. Hey guys, so today is day 1. I am very sorry for this angle, but we are gonna go shopping today. We have a few things to buy, such as paint, some shelves. I also want to check out the thrift store as well. We are going to go into a lockdown starting tomorrow, so capacity is going to be 50%, and most likely there's going to be a lot of lineups outside, so I kind of want to get all my supplies today, like all the things that I need to buy in person. So that's the plan. Yeah. gosh, you guys, how cute is this little couch? And it's like perfect for the theme. Only if I had space for this, like I honestly would have gotten this, like no joke. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys something that I found. I found this little nice like lamp in like yellow shades. I think that's perfect, and it is, how much is it actually? Oh, it's $14.99. Not too bad. Thank you. Hi guys, so our next stop is Home Sense. Fingers crossed we find something good. So I found this mirror, this round mirror for $40. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take it yet, but I'm gonna keep it in my cart, and then we'll see. I don't like the black food, so I will end up painting it gold, but yeah. So found this throw link in. I think it's super cute, has little bits of orange, bits of yellow, and it is on sale for $30. I think I'm just gonna get this. Still unsure on the mirror though. Okay you guys, so decision has been made. I kept the other mirror and I have decided to get this one instead. It's like a little egg shape, super cute, and it's the same price, $40, and it's gold, so it's perfect. She found it. So I know for white, for sure, I'll be using this one, Ultra Pure White by Bear. But not too sure for the orange and the yellow. So I have decided to go with these ones. They're all by Bear. It's called Tart Orange, Extreme Yellow, and Ultra Pure White. I think this is it. Here are all the other options really, but I think this looks good. These are the brackets I'm getting for the shelves. Yeah, this is the one I always use, so there's nothing new there. And now onto the wood. So I've decided to go with this piece of wood. It's 10 feet long. It's $21, but I'm gonna get it cut into 6 pieces, so I get 6 shelves out of it. Honestly, great tip. At the stain section, I actually need a stain for the shelves, and I'm looking to get something a bit darker, but not too dark. I don't know, it might be a little too dark. Ooh, I think this is quite nice. Obviously, it's not gonna look exactly like this picture. I don't know, it's called red chestnut. Feel like it might turn out a little too red for my liking. How about this? Special walnut. I think I might go with this one. Or how about this one? Early American. No, I'm confused. Yeah, I think I like this one better. Okay. Is there any other colors that I like? Nope. Got the wood cut. Now we're on to the checkout, and I'll see you guys at home. So this is my haul. I ended up getting this basket from Value Village. And then I got these shelves cut from Home Depot. It was like $20. And then I got this lamp that I showed you guys. I'm not sure where I would put it yet, but I had to get it. And then I got the paint as well. So this is the bear in shade Ultra White. And then a lot of other things from Home Depot. I got some paint rollers, spray paint, and then some paint tape. The brackets, they're like $1 each. And then I got wood stain. And then here are my other two paints. So this is the yellow color, and here's the orange one. And then on to more exciting things. I got this throw blanket from Home Depot. I mean Home Sense. And lastly, I got this mirror. Super excited. And yeah, this is pretty much my haul. I will see you guys when my other things arrive, but this is it for now. So today is a really good day because sorry, I keep looking out because I am getting the green chair, so someone's gonna come drop it off. And I also ended up selling the bookshelf for $50, so hopefully like I'm able to like get the money for those chairs by selling these items, because I'm already kind of over budget, and as long as I can like sell everything that I need to sell and can get that money back, it cancels out, so we're good. So I ended up selling the bookshelf for $50, and someone's gonna come pick it up any minute now. And the two chairs, I'm getting it for $150, which I think it's pretty good deal, because when I was looking online, everything was like $130, like for like one chair, like, you know, like $300 for two chairs. Like it was kind of like crazy. So I think $150 for two chairs is pretty good, and they're willing to deliver it, so everything worked out. I'm really happy today. I'm also gonna be selling the coffee table and the bar stools that we have currently, and I'm hoping that I'm able to recover the $150 that I'm spending on those chairs by selling these items, because I'm already kind of over budget and I'm not proud of it, but I just really wanted some new bar chairs, and they're so freaking expensive, especially for the ones that I wanted. But I am positive that I'll probably be able to get $150, and I don't want to talk anymore because I think they're here, so I'll quickly go and I'll maybe record a little bit of them picking up the item. But yeah, no worries, have a good day or night. Here are the chairs, you guys. They're so freaking pretty, and there are like no marks, nothing. Good purchase. So my coffee table is here, you guys. This is basically the design. I don't think I'm gonna open it just yet because I don't have any space for it for now. So I'm gonna wait till I'm done painting and everything, and then I'll open it. But I'm excited. Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm all dressed up because I am going to be spray painting my chairs, the bar stools that I have. I remember telling you guys that that was my backup plan, and then I ended up buying the green chairs, but I thought if I'm gonna be selling them, I might as well spray paint them and then sell them. That way I can probably sell them for a higher price, because these chairs are so like damaged and ugly that no one would pay even like $50 for all three of them. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna test out this theory and see if I can actually spray paint them and make them look like they're new, if I can sell them for at least $50. So I'm gonna spray paint them, and then I'm gonna put it up on Facebook, and I will then show you guys if and when I get it sold, I'll show you guys how much I ended up selling it for. So here's an update on the chairs. I ended up changing the price from $100 to $90 because I just wasn't getting responses like the way I would have liked. But I did get a offer from a person for $80, and they are most likely going to come today to pick it up. So I'm hoping that it doesn't fall through and they actually end up getting the chairs. I'm super excited. So if I can end up getting it sold for $80, I would be super happy because my expectation was like $50, and like, you know, my theory kind of works. The fact that I spray painted them, I was able to list it for a higher price. So if you guys are selling something like these chairs or similar things that you can easily just spray paint and make them look good, I would highly recommend doing that. So I will check back in with you guys once the person comes to pick up the chairs. Guess what, guys? I'm $80 richer. Well, technically no, because I just got my money back, but I finally sold the chairs. I'm so happy that lady didn't cancel on me, so I'm super happy. So I have made around $130 so far. I just need $20 more, but even if I don't end up making $20 more, I'm fine with it. That way, like, the chairs are literally $10 each. I'm going to end this vlog right here because this is it. I have nothing else to show you guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog style video. If you did, let me know down below because I definitely did making it. It's something so different and just so much easier and more real. I took you guys along shopping with me so you guys could really see how that process goes. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know down below and I would be more than happy to make more vlogs. And all I gotta say is stay tuned because I have some very exciting videos coming out which I'm super excited for you guys to see. So like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until my next video, bye!